What is your Discord? It's in the description below. I watched your video on how to work remotely. Can we work remotely at entry-level jobs? Yeah, you can. Typically, the entry-level jobs I've noticed that are remote. So entry-level jobs. Okay, let's take a little detour here. I want to show you guys the types of entry-level jobs that I've Indeed.com. Handy dandy Indeed.com here, and just to show you like what kind of jobs I've seen that are remote. For entry level has been customer service, customer service. Let me see, IT customer service jobs I've seen that were remote. And then let me see, let me type in remote, see if that'll work. And yeah, these are jobs where you would just take a call, and this right here is in New Mexico, and this is a remote job that's entry level. Well, let me see. Let's see if it's entry level. Employer actively, I think you have to have some experience for this job. Help desk 1 year preferred. That's pretty light. No degree, 1 year preferred. Preferred, so they would still hire you if you kind of had some idea of what to do. This is a remote job. Yeah, took me 10 minutes to find this one. I just typed in IT customer service. And the reason why I knew that is because customer service jobs are usually the jobs where you're taking calls. Customers are calling in for the technology. Normally they'll give you some kind of entry-level training for their particular product or service that they do. You'll have like a script, and you'll take calls, and then you'll do some troubleshooting based on the script. And either they'll have you fix it, and you'll have like a break fix document, the script that you go down, or you'll transfer it to a higher tier person to continue to help them. So that's one of the jobs I know that is an entry level type positions that you can find that are kind of like a call center type. Not a call center, that's not the right word for it, but it's a job. You're at home, and the customers are calling in, and they're calling you on your business, on the business phone, and then you're helping them on some kind of a script like that, right? The other one I would say that I actually did when I first got out of the military was a field tech. So field tech, and I wasn't 100% remote because we had classified material. But if we didn't have classified material, it could have totally been remote, because a lot of the work that I was doing was overseas. So we would fly, we would fix things in the office or whatever. Like we had this little network that we would work on, and then half the time we didn't have to even be there. So the big jobs was we have to go overseas and fix this or that system. So it's travel jobs. So let me show you what those look like. So if you type in entry level field tech, these ones are very heavy in travel though. So they're very taxing if you have little kids. It's pretty hard unless you want to be away from your family for a bit, like as a vacation or something. Yeah, so here's one that just popped up, and it is also remote. It's paying $14 an hour, and that's the thing about entry level. They don't pay a lot, but the thing is, what you want to remember is that this is a stepping stone. It's a stair. You're taking one step up, right? So you're going to use all the experience that you gather from this remote entry level position for your next job, where you're going to make, you won't be making $14 an hour, you're going to be making $23 an hour, and then you just go from there, go to the next step. So I hope that answers your question.